Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your websites on Squarespace. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open any browser you could be possibly using to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, I'm using Brave, but for you, you could use another things like maybe Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you could be possibly using. Then here you would like to go to the URL. Of course, first of all, create a new tab, go to the URL and type squarespace.com and hit the enter button. So here, if it's your first time, you'd like to get started creating your account, then creating a website. But if it's not your first time using the website and you already have some websites, of course, if you want to create, you'd like just to click at get started. And here you can make any template yours with Ace. So here choose your type, topic, and maybe choose things from here. Then choose whatever website you would like from here. Of course, you can even use the filters to hide the templates that you want to that you don't want to see. So for me, I already have some websites. So let me just go here to my account. I'm just clicking on my icon here, and here I will have this two websites which I'm currently using. So if I want to delete one of those websites, all I need to do, go to the website that I want to delete. So let's say as an example, this one, go here to the right, click at the three dots here, and I have here permissions, built-in settings, duplicate websites, and delete option. So if I click at delete option, are you sure you want to delete this? Your contents will be permanently deleted. You can't this can't be undone. Just go and click at delete and you will be good to go. That's how you actually delete your websites on Squarespace. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you'll like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.